Hi Eli.
Hi.
What are we going to do today?
Build this.
And this is
Roller coaster number 3.
Skyrail Suspension Basic.
And this is actually roller coaster number 3. Where is?
Okay, so we cut the tape and Eli's going to open it.
Whoa! This will be fun.
That'll be fun.
Yes, look. It's for balls. Where the balls?
Let's pile this stuff up in the so they're all the same. Put that other black piece over here, okay?
Okay.
And then we can put all the reds right there.
Black. Yellow. Green and yellow. That is black.
Awesome. Let's not open up this bag. Let's leave that bag closed, okay? We're gonna put that over there.
Let's put this over there too.
Okay.
But
Oh wow, what do we have here?
it needs balls on it. And those are the balls that we need.
Yeah.
So let's get those over there on the pile. And then I am building it without you.
They don't fit on the easiest, huh, Eli?
Yes, they do because.
Oh, good job. We are using a small dumbbell as a mallet because they don't fit together that easily sometimes. Is that
Yeah.
working pretty good, the small dumbbell?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Come on, Dad. Let's keep building. Let's get to work.
Okay.
Let's get to work, Dad.
Am I wasting time?
Yeah.
Sorry.
But please tell me when this roller coaster is done.
All right, it's not done yet. It's a bit crooked. Might need to turn it.
Okay. Yeah.
Good job.
Now, time for this.
Yay. Do you need a hand, Eli?
No, I got it.
Uh-oh.
I guess I need to do that.
Good job, Eli.
Now it's time for black. The blacks are easy. Bush band.
This one right here. Yep. Oh, you already know that. Good job, Eli. Then it looks like they just switch sides as they go down. Yep, that one, and then they switch sides. Good job.
This side now?
Go down one. So that one will go there, right here.
Okay. Right here?
Yep.
Okay. Right here?
Yep.
Okay. This one? Okay. This one?
Yep, one up. Up one from there. Yep. Here you go. And then there is one more right here.
Right here?
Yep. Good job, Eli.
Right here?
That's it.
Right here?
Right there.
Okay. These are fun.
Yeah.
Right here?
No, nope. Others, you had it right before. Do you need help, Eli?
This side?
I think it doesn't matter which side. Whichever side will actually go in.
Look at it. It says.
Right there. All right. Done.
I'll try it now. This is cool, right? Isn't that cool? Yeah. Watch this. You can try this too.
Yay, good job, guys.
Wait.
Okay.
Now they are running.
They look like they're doing pretty good. Was that pretty good?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Guys, this is the first music park I ever got. I ever heard about.
That was fun, Eli.
Okay. But that's cool. That's not cool at all, Daddy.
All right, I do one white marble now, please. Looks good. You gonna do a cool one now?
Yes. Up. There you go. Let them go.
Yay!
They're racing. That one won. Oh my, it looks like this one than these. Oh my. Lots of
Your turn, Hannah.
first places.
Okay. You guys want to say bye to the camera?
Bye.